Hello guys, so we're gonna learn about chapter 2, which is basic drawing tool. So in this video I'm gonna teach you some commands in the ribbon area, but before that you need to adjust your setup your status bar. So first I use model layout, and then I use grid snap, and then I also use polar tracking, which is 45 or 90. And then for polar tracking, you open the setting, and then you can put any angle that you want. Contohnya soalan tu cakap 22 angle, so type 22 and then 0.00, so ada 22. Snap and grid punya setting, look at this and then copy it, make sure it's same. And then for this isometric, I off. See, I off because we're not gonna use isometric. And then I turn on these two snap. Yeah, turn on, and then I select all. So ada setting juga, I select all. And then for workspace switching, I use drafting and annotation lah, because we're gonna draw 2D. So first, command line, you can select from the ribbon, or you can type at the search tool, just type L, and then you can see there is a line, command line, and then press enter. But for me use command line at the top is much easier. I don't know for you guys lah, but for me, yes, I always use from the ribbon area. So first, you're gonna select your first point. Okay, just select anyway. Just click, and then you can see the green line. It's from the snap setting. That's why I told you to turn on, because it really gonna help you. So let's say the question give you 10 millimeter, but instead you put 7. Okay, gonna be small, and then you click at the line. In case you are wrong lah, you can just put 10, but maybe sometimes you mislook, kan? So 7 to 10 is 3 more millimeter. So just type 3, click here, click the line, and then you can see stretch and then just tarik dia, and then tekan 3 millimeter. 7 plus 3 is 10, so this is 10 millimeter. And then other than that, you can continue it. Bila dah letak first point and then to second point, 10, and then you can continue. Maybe the lebar is 7, so you want to make a rectangle, and then click settle. So other than that, you can use a rectangle command at the ribbon. You can use the rectangle command at the ribbon, and then just click anywhere. Okay, and then for rectangular, we use coordinate, which is the length, comma the width, panjang, comma lebar. So macam dekat sebelah kiri tu, at the left rectangle, we use for the length we use 10, right? 10 millimeter, and then for the width we use 7 millimeter. So put 10, 7. Yeah, same. So that's for line lah, cuma berkaitan. So I show. And then other than that, You can also use coordinate for line, which is I never use after this topic. So don't feel pressure, and I don't think so you need to use this coordinate for line. So let's say the line, okay, first point is 0 0, the point you start, point A, we call point A. Let's make a rectangle now. So we use coordinate xy, x0 y0, or we can call it original. So 0 0, right? Okay, so second point, specify second point. Let's say 10 0, 10 comma 0, and then specify the third point, the C point. So let's say you don't want to do the straight one, tak nak buat 90 degrees, so kita mungkin dalam 14 7, 14,7. Yeah, you can see that. And then just drag the line to the first point, point B. Yeah, like this. You can also use coordinate, but I never use after this topic, and I'm not sure I have used it or not. Polyline, I never use polyline. Sorry, I never use polyline. Maybe you can learn somewhere, but I legit never use polyline. I use circle. Okay, now I teach you circle lah. So circle ni ada banyak tau. So circle kat sini, you see the anak panah bawah ni, the arrow. Okay, ada banyak, ada center radius, center diameter, 2 point, 3 point, tantan radius, and tantan. So by the way, kalau soalan tu keluar R, maksudnya center radius lah. Untuk center diameter, dia ada simbol sendiri tau. Okay, simbol diameter is a bit different. So I hope you guys recognize that symbol is diameter. So how to use center radius? Okay, let's say 0 10. Not 0 10. Let's say the radius is 10 millimeter. Like this. Just type for diameter. So the radius is 10. So the diameter must multiply by 2, right? Kena darab 2 kan. 2R is equal to diameter. So tadi 10. So 10 darab 2, 20 lah. So sama je, nampak side sama je. So ini untuk center diameter. And then 2 point ni, 3 point ni senang je. Okay lah, I teach you guys. Untuk nampakkan korang apa beza 2 point dengan 3 point. Buat rectangle and then I will teach you guys. Okay, so 2 point. Nampak tak? Daripada point C ke point B, tekan je. Nampak tak? Macam ni. I hope you can understand while you watching lah. Cannot explain tepat-tepat, susah. And then for 3 point, easy. Click 3 point lah. Right here. So basically, you can see the difference between 2 point and 3 point. Betul tak? You can see the difference. Let's try use tan. Here the second tangent and then the third tangent. Okay, you can see that. Quite nice, right? Quite nice. So tan radius must be like this lah. I guess lah, like 5. Yeah. So there is many art that you can use. But usually I use the 3 point, start, center, end, and then start and radius, and then start, center, start, end. Then yeah, some of these are. So how to use art? Okay, 3 point Okay, 3 point. Select any 3 point. Yeah, you're gonna be like this. You understand, right? You can see, you're gonna see the difference. Wait, okay, like this, start, center, end. Start, then find the center. Okay, here is the center, midpoint. Same. It just same. And then this is the end. Yes. Like semicircle, half circle. Start and radius. Start and radius. Start and radius, you're gonna use it for the head of distillation column. And just 10 millimeter maybe. Yeah, 10 millimeter. But like this lah. Okay. And then what is this? This is hatch. Hatch I never use. Hatch is like garis. Garis only. Okay, and then send ellipse. Okay, ellipse. We use center and axis, and usually I use center lah. Ellipse also you can use also for distillation column, columns head, kepala distillation column. So this is ellipse. Okay, for information ellipse tak ada radius tau. Radius dia tak ada radius. Okay, ellipse, you're gonna use ellipse for isometric drawing. So why not circle? Why ellipse? Okay, korang cuba tanya lah dekat korang punya lecturer kenapa. But my answer is, apa yang lecturer aku bagi tahu, because ellipse look more circle for isometric. You can see like this, it looks like top of cylinder, right? Cylinder punya top macam ni kan, so nampak macam lagi circle. So you're gonna use it, but we not use ellipse, we're gonna use iso ellipse. That's why I remember lah. Okay, next is polygon. So where is polygon? Kalau tak nampak boleh type macam biasa. Tapi actually polygon ada sekali dekat rectangle. Nampak tak bawah ni, polygon. So for polygon korang kena mula-mula korang kena enter number of sides lah. Kan kita belajar kan, ada apa, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon. So macam aku ambil pentagon lah, I take pentagon. Pentagon is 5 sides right? So put 5, and then just click anywhere, and then specify the radius for just imagine that there is a circle inside of the polygon lah. Later you're gonna see it same actually same. Okay, let's say 10 lah. Okay, gonna be like this. After polygon, itu je. Okay guys, so actually this is the end for chapter 2, and there is actually some practices that you can draw. So untuk jadi laju, to be fast, you need to practice a lot. Ni semua cikgu cakap benda yang sama. Nak laju kena buat latihan, nak pandai kena buat latihan. Sama juga, sama je. But actually aku sebenarnya nak ajar korang topic 3 dululah. Sebab ada topic 3 is basic modifier tools. Dia bukan penting sangat, tapi dia akan tolong korang buat latihan tu dengan lagi laju. That's why I want to teach you first. Dia lah. Okay lah, I will do topic 3, and then I'm gonna do videos for exercises that you can do, 2D, 2-dimension exercises. Okay, so thank you for watching.